Hey YouTubers, I'm under Scubert again. Well, this time I'm trying to think of how I could do dual exhaust. Yeah, I was thinking maybe there's Sabrina. Anyway, thinking how I could do dual exhaust. Thinking maybe the two pipes come out this way, but then it might be too close to the ground. Or it can come off to the side a bit. And it'll be up a little bit further, about 2.5 inch diameter. And come up this way somehow. Come out to the back bumper. The thing I'm afraid of is this gas tank. If I have an exhaust pipe coming this way, I don't know. So he's got room on this side for the exhaust. But that side of the it does not, because the tank goes over this way so much. Then just run up to the first converter behind the header and eliminate the second converter. That way he can get much of a louder growl. Well, stay tuned for more videos.